Hi, this is Guy. Almost always, the very first thing people do when they see a cockroach is they panic. I mean, who wouldn't, right? Here's the thing though. Nothing ever ends well when you panic and make emotional decisions. Those roaches are scary and disgusting for sure. But if you do the wrong thing, then you can make the problem even worse. Typically, the very first thing people do is they run to the store and buy some bug spray that is labeled for cockroaches. Big mistake. If you buy the pesticides from the big box stores, they are almost always going to be what we call repellent pesticides. The problem with repellent pesticides is, as the name implies, they repel bugs, including cockroaches. Now, you may ask, what's wrong with that? If you repel them, then they are gone, right? Wrong! If you repel cockroaches that are infesting your home or business, they may stay away from the area where you sprayed the pesticides, but they will now move to another area of the building and make the infestation even worse. So, all you have really done is you expanded the infestation. Yeah, you won't see quite as many cockroaches for a while, but they will be back, and in larger numbers. You see, they will now become resistant to the pesticides that you were using, and they will now be located in more areas of your home and in much greater numbers. So, if you want to rid yourself of those nasty roaches, then you must use a combination of non-repellent products. Non-repellent pesticides do not repel roaches. In fact, the roaches don't even know that they are encountering a pesticide. So they will happily walk right over it or eat it if it's a bait. Then they bring it back to their hiding places and share it with the other roaches, thereby killing even more of them. Here's the thing though, you must do it correctly. If you have an infestation of German cockroaches, then forget about buying pesticides or baits at the store and watch my video on the subject. It will show you the only way possible to eliminate a German cockroach infestation. And it will show you exactly what products to buy, where to buy them, and how to use them correctly to eliminate that infestation 100%. This system never fails. Now, there are other videos out there that claim to show you how to eliminate your German cockroach infestation, but none of them work. And here's a spoiler alert. Pest controllers don't know how to do it either. So save your money. If you really want to eliminate your infestation, then click on the link at the top of this video or in the description.